In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tables in Miro. Miro is a versatile online collaborative whiteboarding platform that's perfect for team collaboration. Whether you're working with a remote team or brainstorming ideas on your own, using tables in Miro can significantly enhance your productivity. Now, let's get started with a step-by-step guide. First, head over to your browser and navigate to miro.com. This is where everything begins. Once the page loads, you'll find a login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you have the option to sign in using your email or, if you prefer, your Google account for convenience. If you select the email option, simply click on Continue with Email and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard. Here, you should see a list of your existing boards. Choose the board you wish to work on by clicking on it. This action will open the board interface, which is the canvas for all your creative and organizational needs. Now, to add a table, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see various options. Locate the plus symbol, which allows you to add new elements to your board, and click on it. A menu will pop up with various tools. From this menu, select Tables. This option is specifically designed to make organizing data on your board effortless and visually appealing. To position your newly created table, simply click anywhere on the board where you'd like the table to appear. This action will pin your table to that specific spot on the canvas, and you're ready to start populating it with information. Customization is key when it comes to tables in Miro. After placing your table on the board, take advantage of the flexibility offered in editing the columns and the fields. You can add or remove columns or change headings to better suit the data you're working with. This allows you to tailor the table to exactly what you need. In addition, don't forget to explore the layout options. Miro offers a selection of layouts that can help you better visualize your data or project. To enhance the organization further, use the filter button. This tool can help you sort data, making it easier to focus on what's most important at any given time. By following these steps, you can efficiently utilize tables in Miro to organize, analyze, and present data seamlessly within your boards. Whether it's a brainstorming session, project management, or data analysis, tables can be an invaluable tool in your Miro experience. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing in Miro.